How to start over in Raid Shadow Legends. So you do have two options if you want to keep your current account or if you want to delete your current account and just start over with the same details, I suppose, or the same credentials, like your the same email. But if you want to create a different account and start over in another, you can go ahead here into your settings. So open up the left tab over here, go ahead into your profile. Go ahead into settings and go into your Plarium ID. You have the option to switch your account, so you can log in with a Plarium ID or log in with Facebook. You could also log out and just log in with a different account, but you're gonna have to create another one in order to log into that new one, of course. Another option is to go ahead into your info over here and you will see your player ID, your current server. You could change if you want, but you have the option to delete your account. So if you want to start over, you can go ahead and toggle the first option and just go ahead and press on continue. So if you only want a fresh start, creating a new account is definitely safer than deleting the old one, but you can use the delete account option only if you are sure you no longer want the account or the current progress. But those are a few options you can put in mind if you want to start over in Raid Shadow Legends. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.